continue to write the book of Acts. Let's continue to write the books of Acts. Hallelujah. Let greater revival be happening in Northeast India and all over the world. Hallelujah. In the name of
There's money to be hard. Here, not much, but this one right here.
Tổng bò ấy mà chập quý sa umbol asaros tomato Barbie